Hello guys, this is Ivan. It is Saturday and we are making quick video as I was requested that I have for a long time didn't show new version of FX Turbo Circle v25. Yes, I made only one video, I think. So this is the latest version from this year. It is here in live trade, although I enter here, so I was very late. I should enter here and you see what the profit will be. So simply let's explain the rules. The ideal settings is when you get dots, this is the dots, when you have a dot and the price is piercing, touching or was under the bands, then you have a possibility to enter the trade. If stochastic also was in oversold zone here and goes up, with this is a new confirmation of trend strength. So in this case here you will not take a trade. You see, this is, I will close this. You will not enter a trade here because it is still under the 20. We need cross, so you will wait until the here when it is crossing, and this should be green at least 50%. So here if you will enter, you see, you will not beat in stop loss because stop loss is few pips below and at least 1 to 2, so you can take it in my experience. Two ways of exit the trade: when you get opposite dot, or when this goes under the 20, or if this become a red. You see here, this is not ideal, but okay. Why? Because the price didn't touch bands. We have circle. We should wait until here, and here we'll enter the trade when it goes down. And this is also not ideal because it is not over the 80, over both. So this is much better. You see here when it cross up and going down. Maybe we'll see in some other cases. This is a Bitcoin and this is ideal. You see situation here. You see green dot. The price was outside of the bands, touching, crossing. We get arrow. We have this oversold. And here we are waiting here for crossing, and here we can enter the trade if this is green. Also here price was crossing, touching. We have this, the price was, it can be previously, not now, over the 80. This is going down, and here you see fantastic entry. So I'm showing you with crypto because markets are closed. But yesterday New Zealand, you see many trades. One fantastic trade here. You see price was rising, crossing the bands, and we get red dot. then we are going, this is the first condition. And second, price, yes, it was overbought, but we are waiting that it goes here down. So we are waiting until here. Yes, and if we had these 50 in red or higher, we can enter the trade. Okay, it will go a little bit up, but you see, until this point, what is the profit? So, many examples here. You see here. This example, it works best always on a higher time frame, like 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, but it can be used also on 50 minutes, 5 minutes. It is up to you. One more example, red dot, price was outside or touching at least the bands. Here we have overbought situation, but we are waiting for crossing here. And you see, boom. Euro on a daily or 30 minutes, you can choose whatever you want, but you need to have what I said, all these confirmations to enter the trade. You see this one, 30 minutes. You see you have less noise on a higher time frame. On the low time frame there is a noise in market, or you see this is fantastic. This is Deutsche Index, German index, future. So I forgot to say, you can trade anything, crypto, oil, indices, stocks, forex pairs. The rules are the same. So one example, green, this is overbought, you see crossing the bands out. This is in oversold situation. We get this circle and we are waiting for crossing here. And here we can take a trade. If this was in green, then we'll exit here. Exit here. Then we are waiting for a sell. Here we don't have conditions. Yes, this is overbought, but we need here to be crossed. So somewhere here we can take a trade, here or here. And you see, don't worry for first few candles. This is general situation, you see. If some candles are red or here white, don't worry. Euro on a daily, Euro index, you see here, fantastic trade. You see here, it was crossing the bands, green arrow, green circle, but we have to wait that it cross up to show us the change of trend. And here we can enter the trade. And by the way, this is V23 without, we have to load this one, and here in this position we should have, okay, it was 1.5 months ago, but we need to have this in green to be confirmed, and then we are very safe. You see, from here up to here, on a 4-hour chart, 3000 pips. So guys, this is how it works. You see this, I was taking this today, but we should take it here, you see, according to the rules. So why I'm showing this to you? Because I was asked from one my subscriber to show. This is for binary and forex, easy and simple, all time frames, all assets. Today, but only today, I will give you a special offer. So 50% of discount, €85 for this, plus 5 licenses. Usually you get only 2. You see, 2 for every product here, 2. And a special reward if you are very quick. So first free, which will contact me after this video, will pay 85, but I will give to them my special new RUBICON v25 AE version. So this is AE version, which is not on my web. So to help, this is RUBICON standard version. You see, we should enter the trade here, but the markets here on this broker are closed. And you get this version. This is also v25 RUBICON, but it is AI version, so artificial intelligence is helping us here to trade. I explained the rules, it's very easy. When you see the arrow, you just check if you have everything confirmed. Everything means that this should be green, so here you can enter the trade. This is it. So this is for free for the first 3 people, which will take this at a promo price of 85. So if you are quick, you get 2 products, fantastic products, manual strategies for only 85. Have a nice day. Bye bye.